Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. And today I'm gonna review this surprise camera bag from K&F Concept. So this is the second camera bag that I testing out from this brand. I guess they really like our YouTube channel. So yeah, let's unbox it and let's test it out. If you are wondering that I am using the exact same clothes and the exact same framing than the video before, it's because I am. Let's open this camera bag. You know the drill. I'm gonna use it for a few days and then I'm gonna talk to you about whatever I have to say about this bag. So let's do that, shall we? I'm not doing the traditional the good, the bad and conclusion about this bag because trying to find some mistakes on it, it's hard. The only bad thing that I noticed is that when you put your camera bag in the back and you tighten this, as you can see here, it's all the way loose, but even loose, it's a little bit tightened on front. So for a generous person as myself, if it had a little bit more of margin, would be great. There is a big pocket over here, so you can tighten it up the pocket as well. It's elastic, so you can put a tripod as you can put as well a water bottle. This camera bag is somewhat rain resistant by itself. For stronger rain on the top, there is the cover for your bag. If you are in the rain, there we go. Can I cover also the tripod with this bag? That is a big question. Well, yes it can. So if you want to check out this tripod review, I leave it down below on the description. Usually this rain protecting thing, it's on the bottom, this one it's on the top. Also I have to say this belt over here, it's not just for style. It gives a retro cool look, but it's also functional. So if I release here, you can see that it has 3 holes, go up and down to tie up your camera bag. Really cool feature. It's good looking and a good feature. Another great thing that I like about this guy, this magnetic thing has a small hinge around it, so it will be really difficult this unlock like this movement like so. Let's open. Let's start to explore what I bring with me when I was photographing the Milky Way. So some reflective material for your wrist, more reflective material because we are shooting on the dark, so you better be visible, okay? A neck cloth, so if it's cool I can put this on my head or my neck. Duct tape, of course. Mirfak LED light. This is very useful to add some light to your subject. Some radio controllers for the camera and a big light, so again to light up your subject. And at the end, battery bank. I am putting my battery bank in a place that you actually can put a small laptop or a tablet, so you have some space here that you can slide that in. I did use this as so, but if you are traveling, probably what you have is a swimming suit maybe inside of this, or some extra pants or sunscreen or whatever you want to have it inside of here, the top part. So exploring the outside as well, let's see. There is this pocket on the front that I am using to access my Victorinox Swiss Army knife easily, a light to find my way, and some cleaning cloths that I added because the first night I actually forgot to bring it. To this side you have the side accessible to your camera, so you can access your camera really easily by the side. Let's imagine that you are in a trip, you are walking and now you want to access your camera. Nice thing, I need my camera, so just do it like so and boom, you have access to your camera. Ta-da! So it's accessible by side, but is also accessible by the back. So here in the back, as you can see, you have a very comfortable and some air tunnels, let's call it like that. Now let's open this, and by open this you can see that I have my camera So camera with a grip, so this is not limited to small cameras, it can hold big cameras, and you have some space to add to extra stuff like an extra lens, my trigger to my camera, some batteries to the battery light, some extra batteries for my camera, and there we go. And everything it's covered in Velcro connection stuff. As well, in here, as you can see, you have some pouch to add some stuff. Talking about small pouches, here on the side pocket as well, you have other pouches as well. So is it this camera bag for me? Not really. I am a guy that uses, while traveling, I use a lot this lens. Just a second. The 70-200 millimeters. So even if I try to close it down like so, it won't have really space for this lens. So it's the only thing that it's stopping me to make this camera bag my camera bag. Also my old camera bag, my 10-year-old camera bag, it was a gift from my mother, and that's really high-end quality bag. I am using it for life probably, and there we go. That's why I'm not changing. But honestly, I was quite impressed with this camera bag, and probably I will use it sometimes just to light walk or some stuff like that. And I just want to bring my camera, I don't want to bring my 70-200, I just want to bring a prime lens and my 24-70 zoom lens. This camera bag, it's the ideal. Yeah, it's a pretty damn good bag. If it's for you, it's you who has to answer that question. Well, there we go. If you have any questions, leave it down below. Drop a like if you learned something, and subscribe if you want to see more stuff like this. I am Miguel, until next time, see ya.